get rid of your sunroof, like delete your sunroof cassette, if you're going to remove the glass separately. And once the glass is out of the way, then you've got 1, 2, any of the green bolts under here. Oh, and take the motor out. Those are also T25. It's not gonna like drop down on you, but the front's gonna tilt forward, and then you kind of gotta slide it forward, and then for now. And then you've got all these bolt holes. The back part doesn't much more flush now. Like it's almost sitting perfect. And I let it dry, and hopefully I have no water leaks. But make sure you get some green tape, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. It's impossible. It's pretty flush enough. Better than it was.